welcome back to part 9 of creating a Minecraft hacked client for 1.8.9. In this video we're going to be creating a target HUD. This one's going to be a very short video, most likely, probably under 10 minutes. We're going to be making a simple target HUD that will display how close they are or how far they are. We're going to be showing a player head if the entity is a player, their health and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So you're going to go into Java tutorial and make a new module inside of render called TargetHUD. Extends module just like always, and add the module info. So TargetHUD description equals show a UI based around the entity you're looking at. And let's make the category a category of render. There we go. So now let's override on 2D. And here we'll just actually make some global variables first. Let's make a private list of type long. Clicks equals new array list of type long. Int width, int height, int x, int y. Entity living base target. Now don't initialize these yet, we're going to do that in on 2D. So width equals 120, height equals 55, x equals SR to get scaled width divided by 2 minus width divided by 2, just like we've done always. Get scaled height minus height divided by 2. And now we can actually go into making it. So if not, mc.pointedEntity instance of entity item frame, because for some reason item frames are considered entities and not blocks. Entity living base target equals entity living base mc.pointedEntity. If target does not equal null, render util draw rect x, y, width, height 0x ff 313335. Yep, that should be good. Okay. And then fr.draw string, not with shadow, just draw string. String.format %.0f backslash u2764 comma target dot get health, and then x plus width minus 30, y plus 4, 0x ff 0000. This is going to be the displaying of health. We'll have two ways of displaying it. Oh, no. And now we're going to actually go ahead and render the if it's a player, we're going to render their player head. So if target instance of entity player. Now, I'm sure there's ways of rendering entities that's outside of a player head. I just couldn't figure it out. And frankly, I'm too lazy to figure it out. But I'm pretty sure it's possible. Draw player head, x plus 3, y plus 3, 24, entity player target. And fr.draw string with shadow target.getName, comma x plus 32, y plus 8, and -1. Let's copy this and put it into the else statement and just say x plus 10. Let's go ahead and make this draw player head. So private void draw player head int x, int y, int size, entity player network player info equals mc.getNetHandler.get player info player.get unique ID. If player info if player info does not equal null, mc.getTextureManager.bindTexture player info.get location skin, gl11.gl color for f, 1f, 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 and 1f, There we go. And then GUI, from Minecraft GUI, draw model with rect with custom sized draw scaled custom size modal rect x, y, 8f, 8f, 8, 8, size, 64f, and 64f. So now let's finish this off by saying fr.drawString, string.format, %.2f blocks, this is going to be the reach display, target.getDistance, just get distance, not squared, mc.theplayer.pausex, mc.theplayer.pauseY, mc.theplayer.pauseZ. Then we can just do x plus 5, y plus height minus 5 and -1. And then we'll draw the CPS, which is also pretty simple. So fr.drawString CPS plus get CPS left, which we'll make in just a second. X plus width minus 40, y plus height minus 5 and -1. And then render health bar target. Now let's make CPS left before render health bar. They're both pretty simple, but get CPS left is more simple. So private int get CPS left final long time equals system.current time millis, clicks.remove if a long plus 1,000 is less than time. Then return clicks.size. Now all we have to do is make the render health bar, which is also pretty simple. So private void render health bar entity living base target int health bar width equals width minus 10, int health bar height equals 5, int left equals x plus 5, int top equals y plus height minus 15, render util dot draw rect left, top, health bar width, health bar height. And then what's the color we could do this for this? Let's do full transparency. Let's do 19 for red, 17 for blue, and 0D for green. Why is this? Oh, not draw hollow rect, just draw rect. Float health % equals target.get health divided by target.get max health. Int health width is equal to cast it to an int health bar width times health %. And then render util dot draw rect left, top, health width, health bar height, then 0x ff e93741. Again, just regular draw rect. And there we go. That's literally all for this module and all for this video. Let's go ahead and test it out. So if I was to enable TargetHUD, if I go over to a spider here, you'll see I messed the positioning up a lot actually, but you'll see spider, 16 health, the stop moving. You'll see the reach in the CPS if I click, and you'll see the health go down. If this was a player, you would see the player head, a 2D player head in the top left, and then obviously, can you stop moving? Thank you. And then you would see the spider or the player name be more to the right. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you actually, I'm going to show you how to fix this positioning real quick. So to fix it is really simple. Let's just do +3 on the height. Actually, no, minus 10. Minus 10. And then on this render health bar, let's put top minus 23. There we go. So that will fix it. So that fixed it. That's all for this video. In the next video, we're going to be creating a saving and loading system so that we can save the modules that are enabled. We can save things like settings and things like that. So I'll probably make that tomorrow or in 2 days from now. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm not going to test it with a player because, I mean, hopefully it works, but I don't have a separate account. So yeah, you can go and test it if you want. If it doesn't work, tell me. Probably not going to fix it anyway.